With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, we are given with a question, and the question says two identical container A and B. Right, so there are two identical containers. I'll draw the diagram, right? And let's say there is a partition here. So these are two identical containers, right? So having same volume of an ideal gas at same temperature. So they have same volume of V, temperature is also same, right? Have mass of M1 and M2. So this have mass M1 and this have mass M2, right? Where 2M1 is equal to 3M2. Correct? The gas in each cylinder expands isothermally to double of its volume. So it expands isothermally without changing its temperature. Change in pressure in A is 300 Pascal. So delta P here is 300 pascals. So delta P dash here, what it would be, right? So what we could say is that since it is changing isothermally, right? So what we can say is that our ideal gas equation, that is PV equals to M by M R T, right? So what we can write is this to be, so in this first one, right, that is P1 V equals the mass, right? The mass M1 can be is equal to, so they are in the ratios, right? So M1 by M2, since this is it, so it would be 3 by 2, 3M by 2M, let's say, right? So it is 3M RT, right? So P1 would be equal to 3M RT by V, correct? So from here what we could say is delta P would be equal to P1 final minus P1 initially, right? Which would be equal to, so when we expand it, right, to double its volume, right? So we can write first of all P1 dash, that would be equal to 3mRT by 2V, right? So delta P dash P1 would be equal to delta P itself, so that would be equal to 3 by 2, 3 minus 3 by 2, right? So it would be 3 by 2 mRT by V itself, right, which is equal to 300, correct? So mRT by V is equal to 200, right? Let's say this is our equation 1. Now what we can do is we can find it for this one. So P2 would be equal to 2 mRT by V, correct? And P2 dash would obviously be equal to mRT by V, right? Since 2 and 2 gets cancelled here, right? The volume is getting doubled. So delta P dash would be equal to 2 minus 1. So that is mRT by V itself, right? So mRT by V is equal to 200, right? So it would be equal to 200 pascals. So our answer would be 200 pascals, that is option A. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.